Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize data mining techniques with RapidMiner, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open RapidMiner and create a new project. Import your dataset by clicking on the Import Data button. Select the data file from your computer and click Open. In the data preview window, review the contents of your dataset. Click Next to proceed to the data preparation stage. In the data preparation view, check for missing values and inconsistencies. Use the Replace Missing Values operator to handle any gaps. Apply the Normalize operator to standardize your data if necessary. Drag and drop the relevant operators from the Operators panel onto the process canvas. Connect the operators by drawing lines between them to create a workflow. Choose the Split Data operator to divide your dataset for training and testing. Define the proportion of data for training and testing sets. Now, select an appropriate model by dragging the Decision Tree operator onto the Connect the training section of your split data to the model operator. Configure the model settings by double-clicking on the operator and adjusting parameters. After configuring, connect the model output to the Apply Model operator. Next, connect the testing section of your split data to the Apply Model operator. Add the Performance operator to evaluate your model's effectiveness. Connect the output of that Apply Model operator to the Performance operator. Run your process by clicking the Run button at the top. Once the process completes, check the results in the Results tab. Analyze the performance metrics to assess model accuracy. Based on the results, you can refine your model by adjusting parameters or trying different algorithms. Save your project regularly to avoid losing any progress. Explore additional operators to enhance your data mining techniques further. Continue to experiment and practice for improved skills in RapidMiner. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.